Hey everyone, this is our iteration plan meeting for product marketing group on digital experience for July 31st. I'm going to hand this over to Jess to get things rolling and we'll go around the room from there.
Thanks. So I'm just wrapping up a few things from last sprint, mainly the blog post template and possibly Google Next, depending on what they throw our way. And then I actually have a couple of things I need to do for the growth team. We've got 2 issues outstanding there to wrap up, and mostly we'll just kind of be focusing on getting ready for next sprint for our sprint planning on Wednesday, where the 3 designers are putting in a deck together. And then we'll just be thinking about what kind of research and stuff we can do for Q3, right? Yeah. So I'll be doing all that. Let me pass it off to Mateo.
Thank you, Jess. I will continue with the CMS integration with the blog and migrating new pages that will be needed there. That's the category and archive pages and the template for the blog posts. I'm also dealing with a problem with the review apps that I haven't been able to resolve. It's just some pathing error to the assets. I will be fixing that this week. And yeah, I'll pass it over to Miguel.
Thank you, Mateo. I'll be working on some Google tag tracking for the filters in the customers page. I'll be also doing some fixes in the software faster page, which has a couple of bugs, and I'll be building the solutions landing page, analytics and insights, which is a new page we need to do. And I have 2 issues rolled over from last iteration. The topics page carding, I think with the docs we added, there's an MR open for adding those docs. I think that with that we could close that issue. And the code suggestions component, which is ongoing work. And there's also the onboarding for the contentful CMS, which I'll be working. And yeah, that's it for me. I'll pass it back to Justin.
Well, Laura, did you go?
I can go, I guess. I was hoping that you would skip me and then I would have to do no work because I've committed to nothing. This iteration, I'm in the middle of doing the Google Cloud Next event landing page. So that's due, I believe, today. So we'll get that out. There are a few last minute changes to the DevSecOps World Tour executive event pages, some content updates there. I have some content updates on the solution/GitOps page to make. And then I'll be starting on the platform page iteration probably later in the week, the new platform page. We're doing a localization branch for the features page because that's a huge YAML file that we're getting translated. So I'll be helping with the release of that, some of those features page partials. And then our team has talked about component audit for getting ready for the CMS and seeing how many heroes we have, how many cards we have, and kind of trying to consolidate those and come up with a plan for how we are going to organize those with our limited capacity in Contentful. We can only have so many component types. So I'll be working on that as well. I think that's it for me, other than just CMS learning as well. And yeah, now I can go back to Justin.
All right. Thank you, everyone. I think that should be good.